If your 2006 Mazda 6 alarm system is driving you crazy with false alarms, you're not alone. Let's diagnose the most common causes step by step. First, test your key fob battery. A weak battery can cause intermittent disarming signals, triggering the alarm. The battery should read 3.0 volts or higher. Next, inspect the door and hood switches. These switches can corrode or wear down over time, causing false triggers even when doors and hood appear properly closed. According to technicians, 68% of Mazda 6 alarm issues stem from faulty door switches. The hood latch switch is a common failure point. It has a gray connector with B&W terminals. Check for proper connection and corrosion. Use a multimeter to check switch operation. Test for continuity when the switch is pressed. Modern diagnostic tools can now pinpoint exact switch failures, reducing diagnostic time significantly. Finally, consider that factory alarm settings might be too sensitive. Environmental factors like wind or traffic vibrations can set off the alarm. Unfortunately, the base model doesn't have user-adjustable sensitivity settings. These diagnostic steps will help you identify the root cause of your alarm issues. Test the key fob battery, inspect switches, use proper testing equipment, and consider sensitivity problems. Now that you've identified the problem with your 2006 Mazda 6 alarm system, it's time to fix it and prevent future issues. We'll cover immediate repairs, preventive maintenance, and alternative solutions. First, let's address the most common and easiest fix: replacing your key fob battery. A weak battery is often the culprit behind alarm malfunctions. Next, we'll tackle door switch replacement. Faulty door switches cause 68% of alarm issues in 2006 Mazda 6 vehicles. Aftermarket switches offer better value and improved corrosion resistance. Preventive maintenance is crucial and can reduce failure rates by 40%. Annual cleaning and proper lubrication of switches and connections will extend their lifespan significantly. If problems persist despite these repairs, several alternative solutions are available. You can install an aftermarket alarm system, bypass the factory system entirely, or selectively disconnect problematic sensors while maintaining basic security. The financial benefits of DIY repairs are substantial. You can save 60 to 70% compared to dealer service costs. With proper maintenance and timely repairs, you can keep your 2006 Mazda 6's alarm system functioning reliably for years to come.